Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by claiming access and lining up essentials. Open the social panel and select your hideout or enter someone else's. This gets you into the editing area immediately. Once inside, make sure you have inventory space and any portal scrolls needed to return. This avoids losing items. Also, verify league or guild restrictions early, because those rules affect what you can change and why some decorations or layouts won't save. So act now and avoid redoing work later. You now focus on the core adjustments. Click Edit Hideout and pick the room or prop you want to change. This is where placement matters. Use rotation and move controls to align objects and enable grid snapping when precision is necessary. It prevents clipping and mismatched paths. Once done with a section, save the layout. This avoids losing progress. Also, test exits and NPC positions after edits, because navigation issues, or blocked quest NPCs, are the most common problems if you rush. You finish by saving and confirming the hideout loads correctly from town and friend portals, since persistence is the goal. If changes don't appear, log out and back in, clear your cache and re-enter. Network glitches or client caching often block updates. Make sure no account or league locks prevent edits. If objects vanish or positions reset, revert to a recent saved layout and reapply edits in smaller steps. Because incremental saves isolate the exact change that caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.